My name is D.V. Sriman Narayana. I am working as a school assistant mathematics. Previously, I worked as a school assistant maths and headmaster MPUP school, Gollapudi. During my tenure, I encouraged alumni and donors of the village Gollapudi. As a result, alumni and donors donated 2 digital classrooms to my MPUP school, Gollapudi. I utilize digital classrooms regularly in my classrooms, and my staff also used very frequently and very interesting digital classroom. And digital lessons shows in classrooms in as a animations and PowerPoint presentation and worksheets and evaluation multimedia and multicolor media. Students very attractive digital classrooms and enthusiastically attending the school regularly. As a result, reducing dropout rate and increased enrollment rate to my school. And my children's celebration day, National Integration Day, and Independence Day, Republic Day, each and every program in my school recorded through DCR and audio visual equipment and played through the DCR and watched the community and as well as students regularly in my school. And Kolatam is a folk dance and yoga training program and Kuchipudi, Natyam and skill development programs also conducted in my school with utilization of ICT activities. I have used ICT activities like radio, tape recorder and call program also we have implemented in my school. During my tenure, all these DCRs and ICT equipment with utilization of ICT equipment. As a result, our upper primary school upgraded as a high school and staff increased from 10 to 17 teachers including primary school and high school. And during my tenure, I identified rural area students and community. They are a lack of knowledge by the utilization of digital classrooms and attending the schools. Without digital education, they are not reached education. They are not reached education with the proper way. As a result, I thought that I appointed as a nodal officer for digital classrooms at IT cell in the office of the DEO Krishna. When I was joined as a nodal officer for digital classrooms, only 24 schools using digital content in the entire district. With Honorable Prime Minister of India, New Delhi at Honorable PM's residence. Certificate of Excellency from NCERT. Award of Excellence by Best Services. Achieving benchmark in digital education through DCR. With my tireless efforts, Krishna district in first place in AP for DCR utilization. DCR in first in AP. Live experience through DCR. Krishna district stood first place in AP in usage of digital classrooms. Krishna district stood first place AP usage digital content as graph. Digital classrooms, lower dropout rate. Appreciation of the State Project Director remarks as SSS stall organized in Vijayawada displayed ICT material. Given training to the teachers about the mathematical teaching tools through DCR. Divisional level training program in usage of VCR PPTs. NCERT publication on overview of digitalization of individual education plan. Motivated alumni and donated computer, printer, projector to MPUP school Pedamaddala. DU Krishna opening of DCR at MPUPS Gollapudi donated by donor MEO and myself shown. Presentation, school educational progress activities. Provided one radio to worksite school, remote area. DO Krishna supervision of DCR usage. Digital classroom teaching through PHET simulation. Review on impact and implementation of DCR by National ICT Resource Team. Assessment of the children through digital classes. Innovative digital classroom. Participated state level training program on Diksha held at Conference Hall, Commissioner Office, Andhra Pradesh. Orientation to the SMDC members through DCR. SMDC training program at ZP Boys Gannavaram through ICT. Appreciation by our DO Madam. Children participated in digital classrooms. Inspiring social awareness through ICT. DO Krishna observing digital classroom at MPUPS Gollapudi. Co-member for the instructional live program on digitalization of inclusive education. Explaining the impact of ICT integration for inclusive education. Participation of workshop at NCRT New Delhi. Creating community awareness to SMDC members through ICT. Digital content creation for digital classroom Diksha. Acting as a resource person for the IARTs. DCR utilization for the holistic development children. Appreciation regarding the work done regarding digital classes in Krishna district by Regional Joint Director of School Education Kakinada. Interactive quiz for the student groups by digital classroom. Participation as an IE coordinator. Acting as an in charge for the IT. District level training program to stakeholders for the development of the school role of ICT. Acting as a resource person in learning enhancement program. Explained call program in MPUPS Gollapudi MEO Sarpanch parents attended this program. Participation in the development of audio scripts. Curricular adaptations for children with special needs at primary level. Digital classrooms on inclusive education. Attended upper primary level teacher training program at divisional level. Computer orientation program. Orientation to district teams in RBC academic component. Key resource person for individualized education plan at NCRT. Quality improvement in school system at a DIET. Appreciation certificate for better services as a community mobilization officer. Merit certificate given in 2019 by the Collector Krishna. Excellence certificate by State Project Director. DO Krishna merit certificate on DCR usage. Appreciation letter for the preparation of self-instructional material. State Best Teacher Award by National Teacher Welfare Organization. Best Teacher Award. Receiving National Best Teacher Award from Honorable President of India. DO Krishna addressing the MEOs headmasters on utilization of DCRs at Conference Hall, Machilipatnam. Smooth conducting of digital classrooms in Krishna district, ZBH Gangadharpuram. Visited DCR at ZBHS Puritigada, resolved DCR problems and given orientation on usage of DCR. Attended DCR inauguration program by donors at ZBHS Rudrapaka. Collector and District Magistrate Krishna awarded appreciation certificate during Republic Day celebrations. Honorable Prime Minister Preksha Churcha live program watching through laptops. And DCR equipment at DO office to distribute the HMs, myself and IT cell superintendent. Bharat Nirman. With my tireless continuous efforts, DCR schools increased 24 to 327 schools in the district. Increased digital content usage hours in 260,000 hours in the district. Increased student got benefited through DCRs. Increase in total number of schools in the district. Increased enrollment rate in the district due to digital classrooms.